In this video, you will learn how to duplicate a widget into WordPress. First, log in. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to WordPress and log in using your credentials. Then, go to the widget area. In the left-hand menu, click Appearances, Widgets. Locate the widget you want to duplicate. Find the widget you want to copy from its current sidebar or widget area. Then, manually duplicate the widget. There are no built-in duplication buttons in WordPress, so you will need to open the widget to view its settings. Copy the content settings manually. Add a new widget of the same type in the same area where you want it to duplicate. Or paste or re-enter the same setting content. Optional. You can use a plugin for a duplication of widgets. For faster duplication, install a plugin like Widget Options or Widget Importer and Exporter. These tools make it easier to clone widgets in just a few simple clicks. Click Save on the new widget to apply it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.